so tall. With the reggae fire we never fall. Let the heavy rhythm touch your soul. Hear the heartbeat taking control. On the stone. Yeah man, stone it rocking rhythm again. Feel the roots running deep now. On this stone age we stand so tall. With the reggae fire we never fall. Let the heavy rhythm touch your soul. Hear the heartbeat taking control. On the stone. Let the rhythm take you far away, far away. Joy is gonna find a way today. Feel the vibe, one low day.
Whoa. It walking through after the hurricane happened, starting the rebuild. To the next room. All the roof tiles missing, all roof panels. Here in Jamaica they call them sheet steel, I think. Heavy road damage, this is how they all was. Some bits have been taken down, some has been put. Possibly all this is all coming out, but all the roof is damaged. Got to be 40 sheets missing. As you can see, this is the start of it. Partly not already finished. So this is how they all run on. This one's partly missing, all coming down. It's all the weather. Once they get wet, it's hardboard. That's the problem. What do you do? The rain's only as good as its roof. The rebuild begins.
Man, stone it rocking rhythm again. Feel the roots running deep now. On this stone age we stand so tall. With the reggae fire we never fall. Let the heavy rhythm touch your soul. Hear the heartbeat taking control. On the stone.
I'm going to include it all now. As you can see, zinc delivery. Mr. Mac has had an order sent in to repair the starter roofs. More progress getting together. Another order waiting. So watch this road. We're in part one. Start with the clean up.
Yeah, man. Feel the rhythm inside. Let the reggae music wash your soul. Underneath the sun we lose control. Let the rhythm take you far away, far away. Joy is gonna find a way today. Feel the vibe. One love day. running deep now. On this stone age we stand so tall. With the reggae fire we never fall. Let the heavy rhythm touch your soul. Hear the heartbeat taking control. On the stone. Man, stone it rocking rhythm again. Feel the roots running deep now. On this stone age we stand so tall. With the reggae fire we never fall. Let the heavy rhythm touch your soul. Hear the heartbeat taking control. On the stone. Yeah man, stone it rocking rhythm again. Feel the roots running deep now. On this stone age we stand so tall. With the reggae fire we never fall. Let the heavy rhythm touch your soul. Hear the heartbeat taking control. On the stone.
Yeah, you're good. Decorated, as you can see, all going down well, repaired entrance. Changed this door painting, so all needs to be painted, retouched up. The main entrance is the main foyer or communal area. This is why we're going from here to there. Nice place, still decorating. Doors painted. Needs to be cleaned up. A bit of one clean, but it's not too fresh yet. And he's got fresh paint. Bed frames be painted. One area. This door, one, two coated and it's still fucking shite. This is the bane of my life. Painted now in this section here. This is painted and there's another coat. Should come out like this. Back into this bathroom. Changes. Like I say, I didn't show you. Back out to the back gate. This is other material. Things come off the roof. Unfortunately, it's damaged. Getting there slowly. All that hard work today, we've pulled up, chucked it all down. As you can tell, there's a lot to do, a lot more to go. Just started to rain. Coming up to about 8 o'clock I think now.
so tall. With the reggae fire we never fall. Let the heavy rhythm touch your soul. Hear the heartbeat taking control. On the stone.